Good evening, I'm Dave Greenbaum with Dr. Dave Computer Repair, and it's Security Sunday, where I share with you tips, tricks, and warnings to keep you safe on the internet. Got two interesting things for you tonight. Number one is yet another breach with T-Mobile. They seem to have quite a few of these. Like a lot of these breaches, you would have been notified already if your information was breached. There were several thousand people. When you think about how many subscribers they have, it's a relatively small number, but the hackers did get phone records and stuff like that. So it's a little bit of a concern. What we've actually been getting a lot of calls about this week is Adobe Flash. A lot of programs seem to have expired on December 30th, 2020, or December 31st. And I'm just glad 2020 is gone with that. But one of the things that went away was Adobe Flash. And no more updates to stuff like that. And it's important you understand the difference between Adobe Flash, which is a program that lets certain websites work and show information, and Adobe Acrobat. Adobe Acrobat is the program you use for PDFs and stuff like that. You're totally fine if you use Acrobat. This is only Flash. Most websites have gotten rid of Flash just because they knew that this was happening. In theory, you should uninstall it from your computer, but since it has no update, you can probably wait till your annual checkup. We recommend annual checkups once a year. So I would probably wait until then. Of course, we can do that through a remote appointment. We've been doing quite a bit of those. The other thing is Google Cloud Print. And we've again been getting some calls about that. Google Cloud Print is a service that allows you to use Google Chrome and print any printer in the world, essentially. So it's important to realize, even though Google Cloud Print went away at the end of 2020, that doesn't mean that you'll have any problems printing from Google Chrome or anything like that. I'm Dave Greenbaum at Dr. Dave Computer Repair, and that's my Security Sunday.